Hey friends, Eric Zanatelli here, your hometown mortgage expert. And man, our real estate market is smoking hot right now. Multiple offer situations, houses selling in 1 and 2 days. And I want to give you some suggestions for realtors and buyers out there of how to get your offer accepted quicker and move you to the front of the line. One way is to find out from the seller and the listing agent if you can have a home inspection done on the house before you even make an offer at your own expense. That way, when you make your offer, it's not contingent upon anything. It's just ready to go. Or come and see me. Let me get your loan completely clear to close, underwritten, other than the title work and the appraisal money. And you can actually ask for a 2-week closing date. And if the 2 weeks is too soon, you could rent the house back to the seller for 2 weeks so that they have 2 more weeks to help them find their other house and get their loan going. But this makes your offer just the most attractive offer because 14 days later, these people have their cash. So if you want help with this, if you want to brainstorm with some ideas, I'm here to help. Give me a call. I hope you have a great weekend. Thanks.